Suffixes. Suffixes are the sections that we add at the end of any word, usually adjectives, to add the meaning. It can be full or less. In this exercise, we will work on the less section that we add to any adjective that's applicable to it. And here we start with this correction. The word fear. Fear, the adjective of it is fearless, which means without fear. Hope, hopeless. We added the section less, which means in this case without hope. Home, homeless, without home. Child, childless, without child. Help, helpless, without help. Cheer, cheerless, without cheer. Thank, thankless, without thank. Grace, graceless, without a grace. Peace, peaceless, without peace. Now, you can also practice more and more vocabs. So you just add to any noun less, but that doesn't apply to any noun. Some nouns will accept only prefixes like respectful, disrespectful. For example, wanted, unwanted, fair, unfair, or possible, impossible, and so on, which we will elaborate on in the next sessions.